guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa. I'm a bit behind the power curve, but I did not forget about our stamp giveaway. So I'm going to start drawing. In the meantime, let me count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ladies who made a comment on the video. So I'm gonna write their names down and I'm gonna pass forward it. Okay guys, it's time to draw for the winner. Okay, let's see who wins this cling stamp. By the way, if you win, email me at scrapbookshawaii@yahoo.com. Send me your full name and address, and I will send you this. Oops, sorry. And I will send you this stamp. So without further ado, let's see who will win this stamp. I'm trying to shake this up as best I can. Andy, Barry, Andrea, email me please at scrapbookshawaii@yahoo.com with your full name and address, and I will send you this cling stamp. And thank you to everyone who had made comments. I really appreciate your comments, guys. And that's it for now. I'll catch you guys later. Congratulations, Andrea. Yay!